All right, everybody. Haven't posted in a long time. Real estate, it's a great tool, great way to wealth, but there are some drawbacks with rental properties and passive income. You'll get tenants who have animals that you didn't know about for years, and then you get this. Yeah, so it's good times kneeling in cat feces and urine and pulling up carpet that has been soaked for probably about 3 years now. So is it worth it? Absolutely. But if you want to get involved in real estate, let me know. It's not for everybody. Only the strong and the people that persist and show up will make it. So we're closing on probably 20 more units by the end of this month. Not all like this. This just happened to be the worst of the 1 unit in the 7-unit apartment that we have. So, but I don't know when this carpet was put in, but it's been a minute. And then show you how to do this without any of your own money, your own credit. All right, talk.